So let's greet people. Let's get to actually talking to people now. And first thing you might want to say is just hi and hello. So you can say ciao. 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 And you want to do that kind of happily, sing-songy, ciao. Ciao. Nice. Now, if you want to be a little bit more formal, let's say you're going into a boutique or you're going into a restaurant, you might say instead, salve. 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 Kind of has the same origins as hail, so greetings to somebody. I put this one here, not that you would necessarily be answering the phone in Italian, but maybe you're calling downstairs to the hotelier, or you're calling to someplace to book your tickets or something like that. And you might hear them say, pronto? Pronto. Pronto, which just means like, go ahead, I'm ready. And then to finish out your conversation, bye or goodbye, we have a repeated word. We have ciao again. Ciao. Now I love ciao because one, it's so easy. It's just so quick and easy to say whether you mean hi or bye. But the Italians love to do this wonderful thing. When you're traveling, I want you to pay attention to people who are on their cell phones. Just in the metro, on the street, at the Coliseum, wherever it is. And wait for the end of the conversation. Because what you're going to hear at the end is this. Ciao, 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 ciao. And why you need to say it 17 times, I have no idea, but it's just the way that you close that out. So it's never just the one ciao. You'll always hear ciao, 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 ciao.